Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones JBL Tune 125 TVS with your Windows. You have to start by click on the Windows icon, then go to Settings, now click Devices, add Bluetooth, now open the case, and it should automatically enter to pairing mode. But if it doesn't, just press and hold on the touch buttons on your headphones until you can see that light is flashing. Now we see it, then click on it. Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!